Hi, I'm Woody and I'm Chief Mechanic at Multimatic. Since moving to Arrow Park, we've increased the length of our race bays. That's enabled us to have more storage space under the benches. The Bott work surfaces are not too hard and therefore don't damage delicate components while they're being worked on. We've previously experienced issues with the locks on the drawers with different manufacturers, whereas the Bott cabinet does not have this same issue. The mobile cabinets from Bott allow us to work in a flexible way and can easily be moved around the workshop. This means that tools and small parts can be close at hand and helps us to keep organised and tidy.
By implementing Bott wall panels and cabinets, we have maximised the surface area within the composites department. The wall panels mean we have access to our tools and we can quickly grab what we need to do our job. The Bott rolling cabinets really help our productivity as we can move the tools to wherever we want to work with them. We have quite a lot of hazardous materials within the composites area, and the Bott hazardous cabinets help us to safely store them and clean any spills up should they arise. The Bott storage solutions can be tailored to any function due to their variety of products. Within the composites department, we're extremely pleased with the installation that Bott provided us.
We replicated our sub-assembly area from our previous workshop because it worked really well for us, plus we have a separate bay for each team member. The Bott cabinet setup promotes sufficient organisation for the team, plus it makes everything easily accessible. The worktop space allows for a screen which we use to send build specs to the team. They can access it on screen and have it easily visible whilst in the process of assembly.